Hello dear viewers on the Ever Information Program News on TV channel Tourism Falk in studio Hussein Melikov. In Dushanbe, the final round of the Republican contest El Furugh Marifa has started. In the Republican round of the contest, 528 people participated and showed their skills and talents to the jury. Many applicants participate in the contest every year, which helps to find talent teenagers and young people. Our colleagues will continue the topic. Watch in the next.
In the National Library of Tajikistan, the final round of the Republican contest, Subhi donoi was held with the participation of the Deputy Prime Minister of the country and heads of the minister, departments, organizations, and institutions, as well as the winners of the final round of this contest. The Deputy Prime Minister spoke and congratulated all the participants and called on the judges to ensure transparency during the contest and treat the participants according to their age. Also, she noted that the main goal of the Founder of Peace and National Unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomali Rahmon, to hold the contest for Subhi donoi first of all to find the talented faces, readers, speakers, and to promote art, culture, science, knowledge, and reading among the population of the country. In this regard, a number of benefits have been established for the winners of this contest, along with the monetary awards. It should be noted that the Republican contest for Subhi donoi is held in the 6th nomination, and this year 528 participants participated, in the Republican round of this contest and showed their talent to the jury. The contest is held for the 5th year under the auspices of the Founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomali Rahmon. Many applicants from all regions of the country participate in the contest every year, which helps to find the talented teenagers and young people. We would like to remind you that the Republican competition for Subhi donoi will continue until November 15th, and the winners will be determined and awarded with diplomas and financial prizes.
During the International Exhibition of Agricultural Products, which was held for 2 days in the Republic of Uzbekistan, representatives of certain countries got acquainted with each other's activities and decided to further cooperation. Representatives of the Republic of Tajikistan also took an active part in this high-level event. Our colleagues will continue the topic. Watch in the next.
From October 24th to 26th of this year, an international exhibition of agricultural products was held in Tashkent, Republic of Uzbekistan. According to the organizers of the event, about 60 agricultural associations from the republics of Azerbaijan, Belarus, India, Kazakhstan, People's Republic of China, Kazakhstan, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkey, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan participated in this year's exhibition. According to the procedure of this event, the representatives of all countries were presented at the exhibition the examples of their field, such as the achievements of the scientists in the field of agricultural work, agricultural products, seeds of crops, new projects in the direction of the construction of constantly operating innovative greenhouses, the construction of intensively productive gardens, pesticides against diseases and insects, mineral fertilizers, samples of growing different plants, machinery, and other factors of development of the spheres. At this international exhibition, the representatives of the Republic of Tajikistan also presented samples of rare medicinal flowers and plants, dried fruits, and other natural products to the guests and residents of the country, which attract a lot of attention from it. According to the procedure, after visiting the exhibition, the participants visited the Scientific and Research and Innovation Center of the Ministry of Agriculture of the Republic of Uzbekistan and got acquainted with the new methods of propagation of fruit-bearing plants in the experimental areas of this center. During the seeing of the large-scale greenhouses for the cultivation and production of vegetables, especially tomatoes and cucumbers, the guests were informed that year by year, taking into account the increasing demand for this type of products in the markets of Tashkent and other cities of the country, the area of innovative greenhouses has been expanded, and all seasons the abundant and high-quality harvests are obtained from them every year.
Based on the instructions of the Founder of Peace and National Unity, the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomali Rahmon, a wholesale fair was held in the cities and districts of the Sughd region. Residents of Mastchokh district also benefited from this fair and bought coal at a cheap price. More details are further in the next report.
According to the instruction of the founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, the president of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emomali Rahmon, a coal fair was held in the cities of the Khujand, Konibodom, Istaravshan and Babajan Ghafurov, Mastchokh district of the Sughd region. The residents of the Mastchokh district expressed their satisfaction with the care of the head of the state, Honorable Emomali Rahmon. This initiative has been held for several years and its purpose to implement the decision of the government of the Republic of Tajikistan to provide the country's population with coal in the winter season of 2023-2024, as well as to stabilize the sale price of coal at affordable prices. As it was observed, the residents of Mastchokh district bought coal according to the demand, the cost of 1 kilogram of which is 80 dirhams, in order to easily spend the autumn and winter of 2023-2024. Until now, the economic and social sector of the Mastchokh district, the coal and the firewood were stored as necessary for the autumn and winter period of 2023-2024. In this direction, the facilities of the field of the culture, education and health of the unfilled hailing system have been launched, which is very useful and cost-effective method. In general, one of the main issues is to spend the winter season without problems. Thus, officials and residents of the Mastchokh district are trying to spend this season with a coal and firewood reserves.
Dedicated to the declaration of 2022 and 2026 years of industry, the development of innovation management system in industrial enterprises under this title, a scientific theoretical conference was held at the Club State University named after Abu Abdullah Rudaki. Our colleagues will continue watch in the next. With the holding of the Republican Conference entitled Development of the Innovation Management System in Industrial Enterprises by the Faculty of Economics and Administration of Club State University named after Abu Abdullah Rudaki, the opportunities and intellectual organizations of the university's teachers and students in this area were presented. The students of this branch of the university, who often work in the industrial enterprises of Club City, gain experience and expertise, and the achievements of the scientists, graduate students, and degree seekers of the university were initially considered. Also, products of workshop and industrial enterprises of the Club City were exhibited, and the quality of the products presented by the enterprises received high praise from the attention of the participants. At the conference, the participants and speakers emphasized that the initiative of the head of the state in the direction of development of the science and technology, the creation of industrial enterprises, that it is the development of real industries, the creation of favorable conditions for investment, and the import of new innovative technologies that will ensure the process of industrialization of the country. The volume of production of industrial products and the number of new jobs should be constantly increased. At the conference, the issues of the role of innovations in the development of industrial enterprises, commercial service, and innovative management of industrial enterprises within the framework of industrial economy and structure of agro-industrial clusters were discussed, and the attention of the students was paid to increase the theoretical and practical knowledge of the mentioned issues. Because it was pointed out that Tajikistan has established high commercial and economic relations with the developed countries of the world, young people with skills and innovations can present the economic, industrial, and tourism opportunities that are the basis for the development of the budget. As part of the improvement and construction works in Shahritu district, special attention is paid to the construction and operation of facilities of various purposes, as well as to the repair and paving of central and local roads. Currently, with the support of the patriotic residents and businessmen of the district, the road paving works between the rural village of the Sultanabad and Pakhtabad village are going on smoothly. More details are for the next report.
The residents of Pakhtabad village of Shahritus district make a decent contribution to local development under the constructive policy of the great leader of the nation, Honorable Emomali Rahmon. As part of the construction works dedicated to the Sughdi's anniversary of the state independence, more than 10 kilometers of roads between villages were paved. Currently, in order to welcome the 35th anniversary of the state independence, they have decided to pave the rest of the local roads. As it was said in previous years, the villagers had a problem with lack of smooth and paved roads. With the asphalting of the road, the problem of any kind of transport on this route has become better and better. The construction works are continuing in other villages of Shahritus district, and the officials have set a goal to completely repair and pave the roads of the district. In the context of the completion of the construction works and the celebration of the 35th anniversary of the state independence, 2 additional classrooms with 48 seats were built in front of the educational institution number 33 of the district with the initiative of the parents' committee and local entrepreneurs. It was put into use that pupils are enrolled in 2 shifts. The process of development and construction works in the district is in progress, and it is hoped that the 35th anniversary of the state independence will be welcomed at a high level. The main goal of residents of the Shahritus district is to provide the necessary infrastructure and raise the standards of living of the people.
Dear viewers, at last pay attention to the foreign news by Ardashar Jahangirian.
World Travel Market London is a global trade show for the travel industry. The exhibition presents itself as a global forum for tourist professionals. It is held annually at XL London, one of the United Kingdom's leading exhibition centers. The event is organized by Reed Exhibitions Ltd United Kingdom, a leading global organizer of trade fairs. The main objective of the fair is to connect industry experts from around the world, explore business opportunities and exchange information on current trends and innovations. In this process, numerous products and services are offered, including offers from tour operators, airlines, cruise lines, hotels, travel agencies, technology providers and regional tourist organizations. Led by industry experts and thought leaders, World Travel Markets London extensive conference and event program in London covers topics such as sustainable tourism, digital innovation, market research and business strategies, providing attendees with valuable insight into current challenges and opportunities in including major exhibitions cover various sectors of the tourism industry. The audience in the US and primarily consists of professionals, visitors from tour operators, airlines, hotels and other players in the travel sector. World Travel Market London is part of a global family of trade fairs that are held in various locations around the world, such as São Paulo, Cape Town, and Dubai. Each of these fairs aims to connect travel and tourism industry experts and discuss the latest trends and innovations in the industry. In conclusion, it should be noted that XL London is not only distinguished by its modern infrastructure and its beautiful location on the Thames, but it is also easily accessible by public transport, by car, or even by plane. A visit to the World Travel Market offers both industry insiders and the general public an in-depth insight into the fascinating world of travel. World Travel Market will be held in London for 3 days from Monday 6 November to Wednesday 8 November 2023. Birwelling in Himachal Pradesh, India is currently hosting the International Paragliding Championship, a paragliding event that precedes the Paragliding World Cup. According to reports, a total of 186 people from 33 countries are participating in the event, which is organized by the Billings Paragliding Association. Participants from Australia, United States of America, France, New Zealand, Germany, South Africa, China, Belgium, Kazakhstan will participate. In 2015, the Walu hosted India's first Paragliding World Cup, the first of its kind in the country. This event is the second international competition to be held at this venue this year. It is noted that Himachal Pradesh, known for its abundant natural beauty, is constantly attracting tourists, and this event is also the state's way of exploring new and undiscovered destinations. The Paragliding Championship will end on November 2nd with a closing ceremony.
Dear viewers, these were all the news up until now. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye.